is going to be started on counterfeiting of drugs in India, consumer and government, and law and financial service in India.
Now I will call upon Shilpi Bhola, 4th semester, to give her presentation.
India. India is a leading source of high-quality generic and patent drug in legitimate commerce worldwide. Counterfeit may be defined as to make a copy of, usually with the intent to defraud, a fraudulent imitation. Medicine which are deliberately mislabeled in order to deceive consumer or therefore counterfeit. Counterfeit drug is a medication or pharmaceutical product which is produced and sold with the intent to misrepresent its origin, authenticity, and improprieties of active ingredients, often sold with inaccurate, incorrect or fake packaging and labeling. Example, when a bag of a powdered lactose is claimed to be cocaine or lactose powder is sold as heroin. Fake drug that is dangerous or ineffective drug should not confuse with legitimate at a low cost, often the only medicine the poor can afford. Counterfeit legal drug includes active ingredient, is fraudulently diluted, adulterated, substituted, completely misrepresented. An individual who uses a low-quality counterfeit medication may experience any of several dangerous health consequences. Examples include side effects, allergies reaction, or worsening of their medical condition due to lack of expected clinical effect. Fake antibiotics with a low concentration of the active ingredient can do damage worldwide by stimulating the development of drug resistance and surviving bacteria. Courses of antibiotic treatment which are not completed can be dangerous or often life-threatening. A common strategy is to claim that is domestic or a lower grade drug is in fact a higher price import. All of these strategies are commonly used in illegal drug market, cutting drugs with diluent increase the bulk of drugs, which increases the profit margin for the drug dealer. Substitution is often done to replace a more expensive or hard to produce. Drug with a less expensive drug. For is it indeed equally baffling to understand that why did the government keep misbranded drug and thrashed out semblance of consequences on India viewpoint on the counterfeit. Besides, government level effort to mitigate misconception that generic drugs from India are counterfeit or spurious. Domestic pharma lobby group, the India Pharmaceutical Alliance (IPA) and Indian Drug Manufacturer Association as well as Indian individual companies are launching programs to educate patient and non-governmental organizations in those countries about the effect of such laws to access affordable essential medicine. Presumably in the spirit of above statement, the Drug and the Cosmetic Act has specified that manufacturing or selling of type of drug are punishable offense. Section 17, misbranded drug, Section 17A, adulterated drug, and Section 17B, spurious drug. At last, all the stakeholders of the pharmaceutical industries must be made aware to continuous basic of health hazards caused by counterfeit. Medicines in India, authorities and organizations like the Drug Controller General of India, DCGI, and its regulatory enforcement agencies, healthcare professional, patient, or all pharmaceutical manufacturers should collaborate to play a very active and a meaningful role in curbing the counterfeit drug for reaching the innocent patient. Today, on the occasion of inauguration of the IMS Consumer Club, we all assure you that we will fulfill our duties as members and protect the right of easily available consumers. Thank you.